Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Here I've got just a cheap box of garlic Texas toast. And the great thing about this is everything is already sliced, buttered, and seasoned with fresh garlic and herbs. So all we got to do now is lay every piece down on a flat cookie sheet and throw these bad boys in the oven. And you want to bake these at about 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 minutes. Then pull them back out, and you want to flip each one of these pieces over. Now pour in about a tablespoon of spaghetti sauce on each one, or pizza sauce if you have it. Then spread that sauce into each slice. Top with mozzarella cheese. And I like pepperoni, but you add whatever your favorite toppings are. And realize at this point, you can freeze these if you want to save them for later. Otherwise, add them back to the oven, and again, you want to go ahead and cook these at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, but for an additional 7 minutes this time, or until they look like this. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Take a look at the bottoms here. You can see they're not overdone. You can see they're all consistent with a nice crispy outside. If anything, they could even stand a little more toasting, but this is the way I like them. And there you have it. Garlic bread pizza right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.